Good evening and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo word of the day is summer solstice. Now to say this word you can say it one of two ways. The first way is one that is recommended by the Chinle Unified School District, in which they use the word Shá Ninádááh, Shá Ninádááh, and that's summer solstice. According to the Chinle Unified School District. So to use that in Navajo, to use it in a sentence, you could say, Shá Ninádááh Nídeesdzá. Shá Ninádááh Nídeesdzá. So you can say that, which means during the summer solstice, the day is long. And another way you can say it, which is a more common way to say it, is Jóhonaa'éí T'á. Jóhonaa'éí T'á. And to use that in a sentence, you could just say something like Jóhonaa'éí T'á. Now the sun is moving back. And that's another way you can say summer solstice in Navajo. And that's today's Navajo word of the day. Shá Ninádááh or Jóhonaa'éí T'á. Have a good evening.